How beautiful was that, and how scary it was at the same time. May the good, blessed Lord King Jesus guide everyone and protect them in Ederline, North Dakota. So that, not only beautiful but scary at the same time, happened in Ederline, North Dakota, a storm every 10 years. But just so you see the powerful beauty, I hope everybody survived basically. And I hope the best. Our thoughts and prayers go to North Dakota and anybody's families afflicted. Heaven help them.